Make CCD4 template. Click Placing Setting. Select CCD4. Select CCD4 task. First, put a component in cavity below CCD4. Cavity is with arrow point. Single capture. Align component with correct position below the camera. Single capture again. Adjust the exposure and gain to get clear edge line. It's too bright. It's okay now. Start to make a template. Click Execution of Search Area. Draw a box for search area. Box is better for bigger size than cavity because tape position may be moved. Execution of template area. If the product is clear, use box to cover the entire product. Draw a box for cropping area. Drag bar of edge contrast to get clear outline. Execution of Create Template. Execution of Test Identify. Positioning tool is done. Save task. Add another tool to recheck the top side if it's correct. Execution of template image firstly. Execution of region drawing. Add a tool to check the dot. Test Identify and area value is 2003. If dot doesn't exist, area value is 0. Set the lower limit to 500. When area value is less than 500, it's the reverse side. The upper limit can be set higher. Save task. Single capture to test it again. Tools are green. Flip component manually to test. Now it shows NG. It means the template is ready.